Well, talking about feeling inspired, let's talk about out with the old, in with the new,
yes.
and how to update your wardrobe for the new year. We are here with fashion stylist Raquel Riley Thomas, and she's going to be talking about fashion do's and don'ts, so you don't want to miss this next segment. Well, with the new year comes a new wardrobe as we clear our closets to fit some new fashionable gear for the year. But how do we stay on trend? Beauty and fashion expert Raquel Riley Thomas is back in the loft to share some fashion trends you can expect in the new year and some trends we need to leave behind, right?
Yes.
Welcome back, Raquel.
Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. It's absolutely beautiful this year. Happy New Year to you.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Yes.
I am so excited to see how we can throw out the old and invite the new into our wardrobes.
Right. And I always like to let people know you should always, if it's 6 months, and you have not worn it, you need to throw it out.
Oh my gosh, I have so many things I need to throw out.
Right, so many things. And I also feel, too, that there are some trends in 2019 that I really just feel like we need to replace. So I brought some models here to show you today, just some things that we could do. But let's show you some of the things that we need to throw out to us.
All right, well, let's talk about the first don't.
Oh, the first don't. So we have some photographs of some professional women who didn't necessarily go professional enough. If you see here, you have the blazer with biking shorts. Biking shorts are specifically called that for a reason.
Yes.
Biking shorts. This was a trend in 2019 that was a complete faux pas. We do not think that you should have that out there with this.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to explain this one, just because you put biking shorts together with a blazer, it just does not even make sense to me.
And doesn't it shorten your body? Don't we always want to elongate the body?
And the other thing, too, is it's confusing. You don't know, are you business or are you not? So with that said and done, what we would like to do is show you what you should do.
Oh, all right. I'm excited. So how should we do business attire?
We should do business attire. If we could have Kara out here. Kara is one of the top stylists in the area, and she happened to come in here looking professional.
All
As you
right,
can see,
she got it right.
She got the same style with the white blazer, but she instead toned it down just a little bit with a black dress. She added a pop of accessory with a pop of red, and then she gave us a pop with her shoes with the polka dot and the black and the red at the bottom, and it just says
tying it all together.
It says professionalism. And that could be red carpet too as well.
I was gonna just note that she has the lace details on the dress,
right?
But it's still modest, so you can get away with that at the office. You can get away with that, and it's not too much. And then she has the fabulous haircut to go with it. She has a rock star look for me, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, she looks great.
Yes, thank you.
All right, so what's the next don't?
So now we have some for men, and we had neon last year for men that came out. We had the neon suits. We had scrunchies for men on their arms. I didn't get it, but my 10-year-old actually wears scrunchies, so that doesn't make sense. And then they also were wearing a lot of socks with sandals. Again, it does not make sense for you to have this in a 2020. I say replace it with something that's a little bit more professional, more conservative. And so I have a gentleman here today who actually can show you that.
Oh, okay, great.
And
wow, he looks nice.
Ivan came looking sharp and professional as you should. Again, nice looking suit. He actually can open this up and you will see that he has the Burberry belt on with it. He decided to tone it down. Now, instead of you using neons, use just bright colors such as yellows and maybe even a pastel red. You can do that. But he used yellow with this, and with the blazer and the actual trousers that match, same as that neon, but we're just not going to go neon. We're going to go a little bit more conservative from it, and it makes sense. And then he has the shoes to top it off. He just looks very professional. The nice waves in the hair.
Yeah, can I just say something? Your beard game is on point. In addition to your clothes, let me just throw that out in the universe.
Look at the waves in his hair.
This is how we want our men to look. Yes. Very well put together, very on trend. I love it.
Yes, well, thank you so much, Ivan.
All right, now what's our last fashion don't?
Yes, so we also have the neon for women that came out, and this is for women who are in the casual moment. And then we had neon for women. We had denim on denim on denim on denim. I would no more denim. And then they also had tie-dye. As a lady, you should not be wearing tie-dye. So we're gonna throw that out. And the logo mania, they have Balenciaga all over the place. They had Gucci all over everything. So instead of that, we're gonna now bring out, what you should be looking like. This is a nice summer and spring outfit.
Oh yeah, nod to spring.
Yes, and so we want to thank Jeanne for coming out here. She had on the nice white pants. We flipped the bottom of the pants up to kind of show her ankles because she just has fabulous ankles and feet. And she blinged this whole set out. And the other thing too is instead of doing a tie-dye, she used a yellow top to actually give her a little bit of a pop.
And the bling is, just to go back to what you said, it's very unexpected.
It's unexpected, but at the same time, it gives her a little bit of sense of, you know, confidence too as well. I mean, I even saw her a little earlier and you could just see the difference in how she walked. I also pulled her hair back too as well, versus you don't always have to have your hair down. You can pull your hair back and to show off the Swarovski crystals. And yes, she looks absolutely amazing. She topped it off with a nice purse, and there you have it. So again, professional.
Well, let's have everybody come out. And Raquel, thank you so much for coming in.
So welcome.
Where can people find you?
Sure, you can find me on my website at RaquelRileyThomas.com, and you can follow me on Instagram at Raquel Riley Thomas.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you to your beautiful models.
Thank you so
let's
much.
keep it progressive in 2020 in our closets. All right, back over to you guys on the couch.
Great tips. Thank you so much, Stacey.